this is Noreen from Joy Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, make sure you click that subscribe button and the little bell, and then when you hit the bell, you'll be the first to be notified when my videos release. So anyway, this video is about the Stampin' Up! Seasonal sale. Yay! It is November 16th through the 18th, and this is 2021. And what it's going to be on is cardstock, ink pads, and dies. So you're going to get 10% off cardstock, 15% off ink pads, 20% off dies. This is amazing. And it starts at 12 a.m. on the 16th and ends at 11:15 on the 18th. So if you want to place your orders, that would be great. Now, my direct link to Stampin' Up! Is noreenbrungart.stampinup.net. I will put that in the details of my video. I will probably also put in a link so you can have this flyer as well. And an extra bonus, I have 16 of these catalog tabs. Now, this sale is only for the annual catalog, not the mini catalogs or anything. So break out your 2021, 2022 annual catalog. So this will cover all the cardstock, not DS paper, just cardstock, ink pads, and dies here. Now, as a bonus from me, the first, I think I've got 16 each of these catalog labels. If you notice, my very loved catalog has all these tabs in it. And it's these labels that I got from Stampin' Up!, of course, being a demonstrator. And I will give these away because I'll have your address from placing an order, and I'll just throw these in the mail. And they're great for, you know, pulling up like love and thanks support, or all occasion, or birthdays. And then in the back, I took some of the blank labels, or the ones that are in different languages, because they are English, German, and French, I believe. But you can take the other languages and put a little label tape over it, like I put here, DS paper, and use the other ones too. So the first 16 people that place an order will get 2 of these labels in the mail, on top of getting your discount for the sale. So don't forget to go online and place an order. And like I said, my Stampin' Up! Direct line is right here, and all my information is on joyofcards.com. if you can subscribe to my website, and of course my YouTube channel, because everybody loves videos, right? So that'll do it for me. Thanks. Bye.